Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your devices can talk. Verify the Apple Watch is paired, both devices run current software, and wrist detection is on. Once done, enable phone right arrow calls on other devices on your iPhone and allow the watch. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active so calls can route. Now open the Watch app and confirm microphone/speaker access. These settings let you answer or transfer calls smoothly rather than getting stuck at the phone. Now you'll move into doing it. To place a call from the watch, use the phone app, pick a contact, or say, "Hey Siri, call." When an incoming call arrives, tap the green button to answer on your watch. Speak naturally. The watch mic and speaker will handle it. If a call starts on your iPhone, open the call screen, tap audio, and select your Apple Watch to transfer audio. This switch works because the system reroutes audio between active Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and cellular automatically. To finish, tap the red hang-up button on your watch. You can adjust volume with the digital crown. If the watch can't take the call, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on and airplane mode is off. In many cases, the watch needs a live network path to route audio. Once done, restart the watch and iPhone to clear transient issues. If problems persist after reboots, unpair and repair the watch as a last resort. This rebuilds the secure connection and usually resolves stubborn routing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.